Welcome to the How to Stay Safe Online lesson. In this lesson, we'll be discussing some important tips to help you stay safe while using the internet. So, let's get started. One of the most important things you can do to stay safe online is to use strong passwords. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long, include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and should not be easy to guess. Another way to protect your online accounts is to use two-factor authentication. This requires you to provide an additional form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password, to access your account. Phishing emails are a common tactic used by hackers to steal personal information. These emails often look legitimate and ask you to provide sensitive information, such as your username and password. To avoid falling for these scams, never click on links or download attachments from unknown senders. When using public Wi-Fi networks, be cautious about what you do online. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts, such as your bank or email, and be aware that other people on the network may be able to see what you're doing. Installing antivirus software on your computer can help protect against malware and other threats. Make sure to keep your antivirus software up to date and regularly scan your computer for any threats. And that's it for our How to Stay Safe Online lesson. We hope you learned some valuable tips on how to protect yourself while using the internet. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.